Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open your iPhone settings and tap Bluetooth to find your AirPods Pro entry. Tap the eye next to AirPods Pro to open the control options. In Controls, you can assign single, double, and triple squeeze actions for the force sensor. Use one squeeze to play or pause music with immediate response. Use two squeezes to skip forward to the next track quickly. Use three squeezes to return to the previous track when needed. Press and hold the stem to switch noise control or assign Siri access in that menu. While music plays, squeeze the AirPods Pro force sensor 2 times to skip forward instantly. To go back, squeeze 3 times to load the previous track without reaching for your phone. Use Hey Siri voice commands like Hey Siri, next track to change songs hands-free. Open Control Center on your iPhone to view the current playback widget and swipe left or right to choose tracks. You can also tap play and pause in the widget for precise control during workouts or commutes. If you use Android, control music with your phone's media controls or a compatible app that supports headset commands. To reset AirPods Pro, place both buds in the charging case, close the lid, wait 30 seconds, then open it. Press and hold the Setup button on the back for 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Repair the AirPods Pro to restore default controls and retry squeezing commands. Check battery level and firmware, using an iPhone, if possible, to troubleshoot inconsistent responses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.